Yo, what's up guys, I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of Plants vs Zombies. This will basically give you unlimited gems and coins in the game, which you can use to purchase anything, and don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right there, such as God mode, unlimited gems and coins, one hit kill and much more. The first thing you want to do is to grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using Android today. Once on your device, make sure you already have Plants vs Zombies installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that's done, the next step is simply open your favorite browser like me and follow my instruction. In the search bar, type Plants vs Zombies and press install. After the installation is complete, the mod will be installed on your device. So thank you for watching and see you in the next time.